Hello, my name is Tanya, and today I'm going to talk about my final presentation. So, my topic for the final presentation is depression. So, before we start, let's know what is depression. So, depression is basically a mood disorder, and today, in today's generation, because of the hectic work schedule or the hectic lifestyle that we have, everyone goes through depression. So basically, a lot of emotions are related to depression. Like we either feel sad, we feel lonely, we feel angry in either any small activity that we do, or we're always irritated. So that is something what depression is. So as per the Canadian Mental Health Association, it is said that 1 in 5 people in a year will personally experience a mental health problem. So basically in Canada, approximately 8% of adults experience major depression. So these are some of the facts that are mentioned by the Canadian Mental Health Association. As you can see the picture, there are various symptoms that are related to depression. So we either have angry outbursts, we are not interested in any activity that we used to like doing, we're always sad, we're crying, we're irritated, we just feel like ending up our lives. We have disturbed sleep. So these are a lot of symptoms related to depression. So now the first step for analyzing my depression data is downloading a data set. So I have downloaded two different files basically. First file is downloaded from Open Canada Data. So I'll just show it. So mental health and well-being profile of the Canadian community. This is the data that I have downloaded. So this data is for the years 2002. So I have downloaded the CSV file over here. So it has the geography, that are the it has different states as well, where there are different age groups as well. There is whether it's a female or male or both sexes, and it's about the there are different characteristics as well over here. So this is the one file that I have downloaded. I have also downloaded one more file which is here. So this is basically related to COVID-19. So since COVID-19 is the major reason today which has an impact on the entire world, so there is a file that I have downloaded here which basically tells us whether what are the reasons for depression in this file as well. So I am taking both of these files so I can create different analysis basis this. So the first file that I have is my base file that I have downloaded using the mental health. This is a mental health profile file. Now the file is from columns A to R, and I have named it as raw. And after this, I have downloaded my second file, that is my reasons for major depressive disorders, that is by the COVID-19 impact. So since I have this a pivot table, I will be including this data in my file over here after column 8 so that I can use this single file for my visualization as well. So I've already done the first one over here. So the second one that I'm going to do is I have mentioned reasons. That will be my reasons, which is here, that is feeling of loneliness or isolation. Now I have written a yes or no column. So since you can see there is a yes or no condition over here, so here I will mention a no. Then I have written conditions. So basically my conditions are the column names over here. So I will copy this and I will transpose and paste it. So I have my reasons and I have mentioned a percentage column where I am mentioning my percentage. And this is how I am going to create my file, and so this will be my first file, which will be from the columns A to R, and my second file will be from columns S to V, and this will be my base file for data visualization.